A CNC worktable is driven in a linear direction by a lead screw connected directly to a stepper motor. The pitch of the lead screw is 5 mm. The stepper motor completes one full revolution upon receiving 600 pulses. If the worktable speed is 5 meter per minute and there is no missed pulse, then the pulse rate being received by the stepper motor is. Let's look at the solution. We are given with the pitch of the lead screw, which is 5 mm. We also know the worktable speed, which is given as 5 meter per minute, that is written as 5 by 60 meter per second, and that in fact is converted into mm per second, and it is obtained as 250 by 3 mm per second. Worktable speed is 250 by 3 mm per second means that in 1 second the worktable moves 250 by 3 mm. Pitch is defined as the distance travelled by the screw in one rotation. Therefore, the lead screw rotations based on the worktable movement is calculated as 250 by 3 into 1 by 5, that gives 50 by 3 full rotations of the lead screw, given that one lead screw rotation is obtained by receiving 600 pulses. Therefore, for 50 by 3 full rotations, we need 50 by 3 into 600, which is 10,000 pulses, and in fact, one pulse is equal to 1 Hz. So, 10,000 Hz is equated as 10 kilohertz. The correct answer to this question is option B.